Your checkout is where revenue is finalized. A checkout test lets you change what visitors see at that moment and measure the impact directly. In this video, you'll learn what you can test, how to build it, and one setup step you can't skip. Most merchants accept their default Shopify checkout without ever testing it. But small changes at checkout can have outsized impact because the visitor is already committed to buying. A trust badge, a different payment method order, a product upsell right before they pay. A checkout test measures exactly what each change does to your conversion rate. A checkout test can modify 5 things: delivery, which shipping options appear and how they're labeled; payment, which payment methods appear and in what order; content, visual blocks like banners, trust badges, and benefit lists; cart, whether shoppers can edit quantities or variants at checkout; upsell, product recommendations inside the checkout page. Cart control and upsell are the two most merchants overlook, and the ones with the biggest potential uplift. Delivery and payment work on every plan, while content, cart, and upsell use Shopify's checkout extensibility, so they need Shopify Plus. And you can combine multiple categories in one variant, so you are comparing whole checkout experiences page to page, not one tweak at a time. Complete steps 1 and 2 to name your test, write your hypothesis, and set your groups and audience. If you're not familiar with those setup steps yet, check out our setup walkthrough video first. In step 3, open the Compose Checkout editor for each group. Click Add Modification, pick a category, and configure it. A live preview on the right updates as you build. Toggle. Show diff markers to see exactly which blocks are added, modified, or hidden compared to control. And check the mobile viewport too. Most checkout traffic is on mobile. Switch between groups at the top of the editor to configure each one independently. You can give variant A a trust badge and a product upsell, and give variant B only the trust badge. Each group is its own checkout experience. After saving your modifications, ABConvert shows a card listing the blocks you need to place in the Shopify checkout editor. This step is required for content, cart, and upsell modifications to render. Delivery and payment work automatically, no blocks needed. Click Open Checkout Editor. Add an ABConvert checkout block at each placement listed. Each placement has a unique block ID. Paste that ID into the block settings in the Shopify editor so ABConvert knows what to render there. If you are testing cart modifications, also add the ABConvert cart control block in the order summary section. Save in the Shopify checkout editor, then come back to ABConvert and check off each placement. Do not launch before completing this. A block missing its ID won't render anything for real shoppers, and that undermines your test data. The checkout editor preview flags incomplete blocks with a warning placeholder, so give it one last look before you save. Use preview to walk the full checkout path as each group, not just one. The variant drop-down inside the editor gives you a quick look, but it's not the same as the real storefront. Always preview on the live storefront before launch. Checkout tests often reach significance faster than other types because only high-intent visitors who reach checkout are counted. Start with a trust badge or an upsell block and see the impact. Next up, the URL redirect test.